Hi, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. It's a vegan lasagna roll-up. I'm also excited that this is a collaboration with a friend here on YouTube, Andrea What's Up Family Home. If you guys haven't already, please go check out her channel and let her know that I have sent you guys. And let's go ahead and get started with this recipe. I'm gonna start a boiling of water. I already have it going. I put some salt in there. And then now I'm going to add my noodles. And you're gonna cook your noodles to the directions of your package. So I'm gonna cook these for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna get my pan out. An 8 by 11, but I think a 9 by 6 will be the best. Get about a half cup of marinara sauce on the bottom. And then you're gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and spread the sauce and put this to the side. While the lasagna noodles are cooking, you can heat up your pan. You can add oil to it if you want. I'm not gonna add oil into my pan. I'm gonna put it on medium heat and I'm gonna dice up 1 onion and I'm gonna mince up 3 garlic cloves. And I'm also gonna have 1 can of mushroom slices. We're gonna saute this for about 4 minutes. While my onions and mushrooms and garlic is sauteing, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up about 4 ounces of spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and measure out 1 2/3 cups of hummus, and I'm gonna put this to the side. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. And if you came over from Mrs. Watt's channel, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys like this recipe. And I also do a lot of cleaning motivation. Now that my onions are done sauteing, I'm going to add my spinach and I'm going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using a liquid amino for mine. You're going to cook this for about a minute and then you're just going to go ahead and turn it off the heat. I'm checking my noodles and I think I overcooked them. So now I'm just gonna drain them out, and I did lose some of my noodles because I was being clumsy. I'm gonna be rinsing them with cold water so I'm able to handle them later. Now this is optional. You could use a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and paprika and 1 to 2 tablespoons, or yeah, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in your mixture, depending on how you like your hummus. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there so it gives it more flavor. I added 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. And now I'm going to add my paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. And then I'm going to mix it with my spatula as best as I can. And then I'm gonna taste it, and if I think it needs to add more lemon juice, I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Tasted it and I think that it tastes really good, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm going to lay my noodles out as best as I can. I kind of overcooked mine, I think. And now I'm gonna add some hummus mixture on here. Then I'm gonna add my spinach, onions, and garlic. And now I'm gonna carefully roll these up. I'm actually gonna start with this other side because it broke. And I want the nice and finished section. Now I'm just going to repeat the process with all of my noodles. Things I like to have with my meals are, with my lasagna meals, is salad and breads. This recipe is very easy to follow, so it'll be really easy for a new person learning how to cook, or even if you're learning to cook different, like going to plant-based. It's taken me a while to re-teach myself how to cook plant-based. My family has been eating this way for about 2.5 years to almost 3 years. I'm not exactly for sure how long, but I had to relearn how to cook certain meals. And this one right here is super easy to do. I think you guys would really enjoy this one. Now you're gonna pour about a cup of sauce on top. I'm gonna go ahead and spread the spaghetti sauce over my noodles. Don't forget to preheat your oven like I did. I forgot, but now I'm going to be waiting for that. I'm going to go ahead and start my garlic bread. For my garlic bread, I like to use a baguette and some earth butter. This is the coconut flavor, and I also like to add some garlic salt to it. Today I didn't have any, so I'm just using a little bit of salt and garlic powder. I'm going to whip up the butter to make it more creamier so it'll be easier to spread on the baguette. And all I'm going to do is spread this butter mixture over my baguette, and then I'm just going to bake it in the oven. My favorite part of being the cook is I get to snack during the meal prep. My husband always makes fun of me and always catches me when I steal some food. Now I'm making my lettuce. I just grabbed a mixture bag of lettuce. I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes, some banana peppers. I'm not for sure what the other name is, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some green olives. Now that my oven is preheated to 360, I'm going to go ahead and put the lasagna noodles in. We're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. In about the last 5 minutes, I'm going to add in my breads.
20 minutes later.
I wish you guys could smell my house right now. It smells so amazing. I always like the smell of lasagna making. I hope you guys will try this lasagna. It was super quick to make and it tasted really good. For my salad dressing, I'm using Skinny Girl Honey Dijon. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you guys try this vegan lasagna roll-up, let me know in the comments below. And I want to personally thank Mrs. Watts for doing this collaboration with me. I hope you guys like both of our styles of lasagna. We have a plant-based one and then a meat-based one. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys haven't already, please go to her channel and tell her that I have sent you from Cozy Home. And if you are from her channel, I want to once again thank you guys so much for coming to check out my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channels and give us a thumbs up and leave us both a comment.